Funfinity Learning. Learning is fun and never-ending.
U is for unicorn. Do you know unicorns are often believed to have magical abilities? Hi friends, I'm Sayram, and welcome to Funfinity Learning, where learning is fun and never-ending. Today, we're taking an exciting journey through letters, U to Z. From unique U to zany Z. Let's discover fun words, cool facts, and amazing adventures together. Let's go! Unique U. U is for umbrella. What color is your favorite umbrella? Let's imagine one together. U is for unicorn. Can you prance like a magical unicorn? Let's try it. And U is for Ultima, a unique and stylish car. Where would you drive this unique car? U is unique, unbelievable, and unforgettable. What's your favorite U word? Vibrant, V. V is for vine. Can you stretch your arms like vines growing up and up? V is for violin. Can you pretend to play a violin? Let's move the bow back and forth. And V is for Volvo, a very vibrant car. What color would you paint your Volvo? V is vibrant, valuable, and full of adventure. What's your favorite V word? Wonderful, W. W is for whale. Can you make a big splash like a whale? W is for windmill. Can you spin around like a windmill? Let's try it. And W is for Volkswagen, a wonderful and whizzy car. Where would you drive your Volkswagen? W is wonderful, wild, and full of wow. What's your favorite W word? Exciting, X. X is for X marks the spot. Can you pretend to dig for treasure? What would you find? X is for xylophone. Can you pretend to play a xylophone? Let's tap the keys together. And X is for X-Speng, an exciting electric car. Where would you go in your X-Speng? X is exciting, extraordinary, and full of fun. What's your favorite X word? Youthful, Y. Y is for yak. Can you stomp your feet like a yak? Y is for yellow. What's your favorite yellow thing? Let's look around for something yellow together. And Y is for Yaris, a youthful and fun car. Where would you go on a ride in your Yaris? Y is youthful, yellow, and full of joy. What's your favorite Y word? Zane Z. Z is for zebra. Can you gallop like a zebra? Z is for zookeeper. What animals would you like to take care of in a zoo? And Z is for Zonda, a zippy car that loves to zigzag. Can you trace a zigzag in the air with your finger? Z is zany, zippy, and full of zest. What's your favorite Z word? Tell us in the comments below. Great job, everyone. You've done amazing work learning with us today. Remember, learning is always fun and never ending here at Funfinity Learning. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can join the fun too. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. See you next time.
Funfinity Learning. Learning is fun and never ending.